And the Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Kekere-Ekun, says Nigeria can navigate through the complex challenges it currently faces if every professional, particularly experts, contributes their quota. She was speaking at the 2025 Fellows Lecture of the Nigerian Institute of Advanced Legal Studies. Judiciary correspondent Austin Ayebe reports.
The lecture brought together legal minds from different spectrums of the judiciary. The gathering was to listen to the topic of the lecture titled Law, Politics and Economic Development, Nigeria at a Crossroads. Leading the charge in the conversation, Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Kekere-Ekun, says Nigeria can navigate through the complex challenges it faces currently if rule of law is entrenched.
The law is not an abstract ideal confined to courtrooms or classrooms. It is the anchor of political stability, the guarantor of economic confidence, and the framework within which freedoms are exercised and responsibilities enforced.
Guest lecturer George Emoti, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, speaking on the theme, painted a picture of slow development in Nigeria despite good policies and laws in place, saying they have raised the need for Nigeria to speed up development.
At this point, grappling with unprecedented insecurity. And these are things that should not really take the headlines. What we should do is ensure that our military play their role to secure our borders, our police do internal enforcement of law, and then our judiciary stand up to the expectations of the common man.
Chairman of the session, Justice Abdullahi Umaru, and the director of NIALS speak on the need for the federal government to help the institute move to its permanent site and also enjoin the government to consider the recommendations of the lecture.
The potential has been there all these years, human capital development and the natural resources that are there. It's just for us to harness it, to show more discipline, to show more political will, to abide by our laws, and the development will come automatically.
There are actionable recommendations for the benefit actually of Nigeria. And I think the federal government of Nigeria should surely actually find a way of translating Judge Etome's recommendations, into actual practice.
The 2025 Fellows Lecture featured the conferment of the Institute's fellowship on 4 legal experts. Among them is 2 former ministers of justice, Kanu Agabi and Bello Adoke, immediate past Director General of NIALS, Taufik Ladan, and Yusuf Ali, Senior Advocate of Nigeria. In Abuja, Austin Ayebe, NT News.